Did you know that something as simple as this common kitchen ingredient can wake up even the weakest flowers and make them grow like never before? In today's video, I'm going to show you a surprisingly easy way to feed all your spring flowers using something you probably already have at home. Oatmeal. Yes, oatmeal. It may seem ordinary, but don't be fooled. It's packed with essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, and more. But here's the twist. When oatmeal breaks down in the soil, it creates a natural fertilizer rich in nitrogen thanks to the work of beneficial microorganisms. This transforms it into a powerful, slow-release plant booster. And that's why so many gardeners use an oatmeal infusion, not just for vegetables, but for indoor plants and spring flowers too. Making it is simple. Take half a glass of plain oats or flakes, yes, even the cheapest kind, put them in a 1-liter jar, fill it with water, and let it sit for a few days. Once it's fermented slightly, strain the mixture, dilute it with water in a 1:4 ratio, and pour it right at the roots. This gentle, natural feed can bring tired plants back to life, encourage new growth, and spark blooming like never before. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, because I've got more garden secrets coming your way soon.